Amal Hermuz from Hair Design Spain. As you see, I have here with me Fred from Norway. As you see, I'm just changing the hairstyle of him. I'm putting nice, lovely, beautiful highlighted hair just for the summer. He's coming from Norway, so we're gonna change the style. We're gonna make this very, very short, lovely, nice style. We are putting him highlights only in the upline, and will be very, very nice for later. So this is Fred, and I'm showing you the way we put the highlight. Very soft, very, very little bit here and there, not too much. So giving different effect for style, it's fashion, hair color. So we will see you later. And this is Fred from Norway. See you later. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Me, Amal again. As you see, we are back with Fred from Norway. Some lovely, nice highlighted here in the hair, and we cut it very, very nice, lovely short style, easy and simple. Man haircut 2016. Not too wide blonde. It's just a little bit soft, highlighted in the hair. As you see here, we cut it from short, little bit long, and then little bit short. The highlights are showing, but not too much, not too wide blonde. So just a little bit soft, the highlighted hair, and then we try to make it a beautiful, nice style for 2016 Vivian hair design style. As you see, he's Fred from Norway. Yes, Fred, do you like your style? How do you feel?
It feels very good, and thank you for a very good class.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you for being in Vivian Hair Design. Thank you, and we wish you a very nice day. Yes, bye-bye.